Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today we're diving into a collaboration video, and this collab is with my sweet friend here on YouTube. Her name is Anya from Pink Sweets. I will leave everything about her up above and down below. And yeah, so we decided to do a collaboration. This is our first one-on-one. I think this is our first ever. I do believe we have never collaborated together, so this is even exciting-er. Yeah, so we are collabing together for the first time and we decided to do palette bingo. I myself have never done palette bingo, and so I'm super excited and nervous at the same time. Like, I'm sitting here sweating a lot. So Anya and I met a few months ago through a YouTube group, and yeah, her channel is amazing. She does amazing YouTube videos, very focused on makeup application, palette reviews. She does lovely like chit chat, sit down applications, and honestly, she's the sweetest. So please take a moment and check out her channel. Again, I've left everything either linked up above, but definitely her channel and this video is linked in the description box. So for today's collaboration palette bingo, we decided to go with the Urban Decay Electric palette. You guys, this was my very first Urban Decay palette ever. The memories with this, like, I was so excited. One, that I could afford like a high-end. I consider Urban Decay high-end, but not like Pat McGrath, but I consider Urban Decay pretty up there. And yeah, I was super excited when I could first purchase this palette, and it was, I think I was still an undergrad in college when I got this. Like, the memories. And I'm super excited that we're using this. I haven't dipped in this palette in some time, so I'm excited. And in just the spirit and the joy of collaborating with Anya, I have my Minnie Mouse. I have my Minnie ears, and in my last haul video, I didn't get this package, but it did come in and I was like, perfect timing. So I do want to show you the item that I got from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Yes, it's a mirror. If you saw my Instagram, if you're following me on Instagram, then you already saw it because I couldn't wait and I posted a picture, but I did wanted to share it with you guys, and I thought the perfect video to bring this mirror out would be collabing with Anya, because she always uses a Jeffree Star mirror, and I'm like, so I got the pink chrome, and oh, is she pretty? Oh, isn't she pretty? So yeah, like, look at the stunning reflection, and the mirror is very nice here. So we're definitely going to use this mirror in this video. We're going to keep our ears on, and we are just going to be like Anya vibes in this video, people. Come with me on this journey and let's do some palette bingo. The deal with palette bingo, from what Anya has told me, and thank you so much, girl, for telling me the rules, because I'm like, how do you do this? So we are going to pick 4 random shades from this palette and create a look. That's pretty simple, right? But I'm a little worried, and that's why I'm sweating, because you don't have any control on the 4 shades that'll be picked. Actually, Siri is gonna pick these for me. So I'm going to put the palette up here, and let's have a little chit chat with Siri. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 10.
A random number between 1 and 10 is 5.
Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 10.
A random number between 1 and 10 is 3.
Okay, we're doing good. We are doing good. I can work with those. Okay. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 10.
A random number between 1 and 10 is 1.
Oh, okay, okay. Maybe I can do something with that. Okay, we need one more color. So far, I'm on the top row. Okay. I think my Siri's mad at me. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 10.
A random number between 1 and 10 is 2.
You're kidding me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so not only did my Siri pick all the shades on the top row, but I have a silver, a blue, an orange, and a dark teal to work with. I see you, Siri. I see you coming for me. You're coming for me. That's fine. That's fine. I can do this. Okay, so these are the colors that I am working with. So let's jump into this tutorial. I'm going to prime my eyes, add some tape. You know the drill. Let's do this. Well, so these are the colors that Siri picked for me. The 4. No. No. I don't know what you think. Let me know down below what you think, but that was the name of the game. We'll just say that. That was the name of the game. To use all 4 shades randomly, whether they go together or not, on the eyes. So I'm going to jump off camera, do my full face, and I'm going to add liner. I think that'll just save the look. So I'll add liner and I'll be right back. Okay, and I cannot wait to see Anya's look and what kind of shades that she randomly picked. And honestly, this was so fun and my very first palette bingo success. I think the liner really saved the colors, just to be honest. But yeah, this was super fun, and thank you again, Anya, for collabing with me. And guys, please don't forget to check out her channel. I've left everything about her down below. And that completes this video. What do you guys think of the look? I think it's okay. I think it's a very wearable. The white liner saved it. Yes. But that is all I have for you for this video, and I really hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.